Dear friends, good morning everybody. How are you all? Fine. Thank you very much indeed. From today onwards, we are going to start another amazing activity. It's very delightful to know about wonderful words, vocabulary. And you are going to increase your word power by attending the series of these lectures. Actually, it's not going to be the lectures. ये पार्टिसिपेशन होगी स्टूडेंट्स कम्युनिटी की इन दिस एक्सरसाइज और हमारा जो नया प्लेलिस्ट बनेगा इट विल बी अबाउट vocab booster. Vocab booster means it will increase your word power. Or what it's going to be, every student sitting in the class is going to contribute at least 2 words on daily basis. और क्या होगा, दो words की presentations होगी. इसमें in the beginning you will give the word itself, और जब बोलेंगे it means that you are giving us the pronunciation of that word. After pronunciation, you will let us know about its grammar status. Pronunciation afterwards you will tell us the spellings actually. Spelling क्या है इस word के? For example, the word is aptitude, 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 और इसका ये हो गया इसका pronunciation and afterwards it's spellings. मैंने spelling बता दिया आपको, और aptitude, aptitude, और afterwards आपने बताना है its grammar status क्या है. Is it a noun? Is it a verb? Is it adjective or adverb? क्या आप समझते हैं इसको? क्या आप नहीं समझते? Exactly, grammatically speaking इसका status क्या है? और फिर उसके बाद आप बताएंगे its meaning. Meaning mean ज़हनी रुझान. आप इस बताया उर्दू में. You can tell us the meaning in Urdu or English, no problem. अच्छा, बेहतर उर्दू में बताएं ताकि हम ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ सकें उसका वर्ड का मतलब. और मीनिंग बताने के बाद फिर आप बता रहे इसके सिनोनिम्स बताएंगे. एप्टीट्यूड्स के सिनोनिम्स हो सकते हैं टेंडेंसी, इंक्लिनेशन, बेंट ऑफ माइंड, प्रोक्लिविटी. ये सारे इसके जो है वो इसके सिनोनिम्स हैं. और उसके बाद फिर आपने इसको यूज करना है इन अ सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, he had an aptitude to study the science subjects. उसका साइंस सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ने का एप्टीट्यूड था, राइट? सो आपका एक एप्टीट्यूड होता है, या द एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट वाज कंडक्टेड इन द यूनिवर्सिटी बिफोर टेकिंग एडमिशन इन द स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट. किसी खास सब्जेक्ट में एडमिशन से पहले यूनिवर्सिटी में एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट कंडक्ट किया गया. सो ये जो एप्टीट्यूड है ये हमारा मेन वर्ड है. इस तरह 2 वर्ड्स आप बताएंगे ऑन डेली बेसिस. एवरीबॉडी बहुत प्रिसाइसली बताना है, तमाम तरह उसकी फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर फैक्चुअल इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है आपने. और फिर इस तरह से वी आर गोइंग टू increase our word power from today onward. You'll see on daily basis we'll be discussing very important words, and they increase your strength in language ultimately. आप जानते हैं there are 2 things in language. Number 1 is what to say and number 2 is how to say. चाहे वो writing हो चाहे वो speaking हो. What to say means vocabulary. आपको vocabulary होनी चाहिए. और फिर आप जब IELTS या PTE के स्टूडेंट हैं तो आपके पास एकेडमिक फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज आपके पास होनी चाहिए. आपके पास हाई प्रोफाइल वर्ड्स वोकैबुलरी लिस्ट होनी चाहिए आपके पास. फॉर एग्जांपल C1 और C2 लेवल ऑफ वोकैबुलरी आपके पास होनी चाहिए. सो ये आप वर्ड्स व्हाट टू से एंड हाउ टू से इज ग्रामर. कि उन वर्ड्स की बुनत कैसे करनी है, आपने कैसे उनको प्रेजेंट करना है इन स्पीकिंग एंड इन राइटिंग एज वेल. सो 2 चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है. दोनों चीजें क्लास में हम एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं. और इनके अलावा वी आल्सो हैव द कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस, वी आल्सो हैव question answer sessions. In the language class we also have, apart from these 2 activities, presentations. आप record भी हो रही presentations and everybody is watching these presentations on the videos of Genius Institute Lahore's platform. So God bless you guys. I'm going to invite you. Everybody is going to come और 2 words को share करेंगे आप लोग, और इस तमाम सीक्वेंस के साथ और बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ बोलेंगे ताकि आप जब उसको दोबारा देखें आपको भी आइडिया हो, और फिर जो हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनको भी पता चले कि आपने कितना अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है उनकी वोकैबुलरी की वोकैबुलरी पार्ट को इनहेंस करने में. सो स्टे ब्लेस्ड, जुड़े रहें इंशाल्लाह. see soon. Just Miss Aisha, please. It's your turn first, please.
So my first word is proliferation. Proliferation. Grammatically, it's a noun, a singular noun, and its mean is a rapid increase or increase of something in large quantity, yani phailao. And its synonyms are elongation, multiplication,
The synonyms are
elongation,
okay.
multiplication,
Multiplication is the
Yes.
first synonym.
and propagation,
Propagation,
expansion,
expansion. These are three wonderful synonyms of proliferation.
and its collocations are proliferation of nuclear weapons,
Wow, it's very frequently used in the newspapers. Proliferation, phailao nuclear weapons ka. Right.
proliferation of viruses, proliferation of cell phones, and its example sentence is proliferation of social media platform has changed the way we communicate.
Excellent. Very good. Proliferation of social media platforms have changed the world. Right.
So my second word is apprehensive. Apprehensive. It's an adjective, and its mean is fearful or fear of something bad will happen. Yani खौफज़दा, फिक्रमंद, and its synonyms are anxious, worried, uneasy, unpleasant. And its collocations are proliferation of exam, proliferation of future, and proliferation of a decision. And its example sentence is he was apprehensive about taking the test because he hadn't studied enough.
He was apprehensive of taking the test because he could not prepare it before. He hadn't prepared it.
Yes.
All right. So दो words हमारे knowledge में इन्होंने लेकर आए हैं. एक है proliferation और दूसरा है apprehensive. The first word grammar status was noun. The second one is adjective.
Adjective.
Apprehensive. Apprehensive के आपने क्या बताएं synonyms?
Anxious,
Anxious,
worried,
worried,
uneasy,
uneasy,
unpleasant.
unpleasant, apprehensive. Uneasy lies the head which bears the crown. कहा जाता है कि जो uneasy बंदा होता है, जो easy comfort zone में नहीं होता, जो uncomfortable feel कर रहा होता है, उसी के सर पर ताज सजता है. मतलब यह है कि वो फिर कोई बड़ी अचीवमेंट करता है. Excellent word. Thank you very much. Yes, please.
Well, my first word is confront. Confront.
Confront. Front near front. Confront. CONFRONT. Confront.
Its spelling is CONFRONT.
Shabash.
Its grammatical status is verb. Its
It's
meaning,
a verb. VERB verb. Right.
its उर्दू मीनिंग सामना करना, मनफी तौर पर किसी से मिलना. Synonyms are
सामना करना.
जी.
Right.
Synonyms are challenge, encounter, stand up to, oppose.
Oppose. Stand up to.
Challenge, encounter.
Encounter. Challenge or encounter. Right. Very good.
Example sentence is he confronted his enemy on the road.
He confronted ਉਹਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਰੋਡ ਦੇ. He confronted his enemy on the road. Shabash.
My second word is coherent.
Coherent. अच्छा आपने बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट meticulous कहना है प्रोनाउंसिएशन के बारे में. Coherent नहीं होगा, coherent होगा. आप बार सुनेंगे उसको. मैंने बताया था कैसे आपने उसको प्रिपेयर करना है. Coherent, right?
Coherent. Its spelling is COHERENT.
Shabash.
Its grammatical status is adjective.
It's an adjective. ये adjective है coherent, right?
Its Urdu meaning is मरबूत.
इसके उर्दू मीनिंग इज
मरबूत.
मरबूत.
तरतीब के साथ.
मरबूत होता है जो रब्त जिसके अंदर होता है. सीक्वेंशियल, कोई चीज सीक्वेंस में होती है, इन ऑर्डर होती है, इन ऑर्डर में होती है. दैट्स कॉल्ड coherent, right?
Synonyms are rational,
sensible,
valid,
sensible,
valid,
valid,
analytical.
analytical. Shabash.
Example sentence is he couldn't explain his story in a coherent way.
He couldn't explain his story in a coherent way. He couldn't explain कि sequential order नहीं बना उससे, किस तरह से sequence चलता है उसका, उसको बता नहीं सका बेचारा. So he couldn't explain. वो अगर उसने वो song सुना होता ना, कहानी सुनो, तो फिर वो शायद सुना पाता, लेकिन उसने सुना नहीं था, सुनी अनसुनी कर दी थी उसने. All right, thank you very much. Very good. Okay, now our third candidate, please.
Discrepancy. Discrepancy is a noun.
Spelling.
Discrepancy. Discrepancy. It's a noun. इसका उर्दू में मीनिंग है फ़र्क और तज़ाद, और इसके सिनोनिम्स हैं disparity, difference,
Disparity,
difference
difference,
and variation.
variation. बहुत शानदार इसके जो है वो disparity और variation. Discrepancy. Right.
There is a discrepancy in the account statements.
There is a discrepancy in the account statement. Very nice. तजाद है दूसरा वर्ड आपका.
Contrariety. एक मैंने और भी प्रिपेयर किया था, contrariety और iconoclast.
Right. और aggrandize, for example.
Aggrandized is a verb, और इसका उर्दू में होता है मीनिंग बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बताना, अपने आप को
Exaggerate करना.
exaggerate करना,
Exaggerate और
magnify
aggrandize.
मैग्नीफाई करना.
इससे aggrandize का आपको पता है कि आपने पहले स्पेलिंग भी बतानी है हमें.
AGGRANDIZE, aggrandized.
Right.
और इसका he hoped to aggrandized himself he hoped to aggrandize himself by the death of a hero.
By the death of the hero, he hoped to aggrandize himself. बढ़ा चढ़ा कर पेश किया उसने, अपनी उम्मीद की कि बढ़ा कर पेश करूंगा. By the death of the hero.
और वो फिर खुद को अपने आप को वो होप कर रहा था कि हीरो की जगह ले लेगा और मैं हीरो बन जाऊंगा.
माशाल्लाह. अब वो हीरो तो नहीं बना, लेकिन आप हमारी हीरोइन हैं. माशाल्लाह. वेरी गुड. Thank you. She Muslimbo. Now it's your turn.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My first word is stupendous.
Stupendous.
Stupendous. Spelling is STUPENDOUS.
Stupendous. Very good.
Grammatically, it's a adjective.
Adjective है.
इसका उर्दू में मतलब है शानदार, amazing. Synonyms are marvelous, wonderful, incredible.
Incredible, marvelous, wonderful, amazing.
और
Stupendous का मतलब है.
stupendous views from the top of the mountains are breathtaking.
Oh my God. Stupendous views from the top of the mountain are
Breathtaking.
breathtaking.
Second word.
Breathtaking बहुत शानदार यूज हुआ है यहाँ. Thank you. Next.
Second word is triumph.
Triumph. Triumph.
Spelling
Triumph. T-G.
TRIUMPH.
TRIUMPH. Triumph. और इसका एडजेक्टिव होगा, ये नाउन है.
Noun.
इसका एडजेक्टिव होगा triumphant. Triumphant.
उर्दू में मतलब
सक्सेसफुल, कामयाब हो रहे. जी.
फतह,
ट्रायम्फ क्या होती है?
फतह, कामयाबी.
कामयाबी.
Synonyms are victory, conquest,
वाओ. विक्ट्री,
achievement,
conquest.
conquest.
स्पेलिंग CON.
CONQUEST.
वाओ, वंडरफुल वर्ड्स. विक्ट्री, conquest, conquest
Achievement.
और अचीवमेंट और सक्सेस कामयाबी के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है ट्रायम्फ.
Sentence में इसका usage. After months of hard work, winning the championship felt like a triumph.
After
Months of hard work,
months of hard work,
winning the championship is like a triumph. Felt like
winning the championship is just like a triumph. Very good.
Thank
Just
you.
like a success. Very nice. Thank you. Yes, please. It's your turn now.
My first word is prejudice. It's a noun plus verb.
Prejudice. Prejudice. दो दफा बोलेंगे वर्ड को, फिर उसके बाद आप बताएंगे इसके स्पेलिंग.
Spelling.
PRE
Judice.
JUDICE.
It's a noun plus verb.
नाउन भी है और वर्ब भी है. शाबाश.
इसका मीनिंग है तासुब.
तासुब. इसका उर्दू मीनिंग है तासुब.
इसके सिनोनिम है बायस, प्रीकंसीव्ड.
बायस इसका बहुत ही मारूफ किस्म का बायस या प्रेजुडिस. तासुब. राइट.
Okay, सेंटेंस है he had to battle against prejudice to get a job.
Oh my God. He had to battle against the prejudice. उसको तासुब के खिलाफ जंग लड़नी पड़ी, लड़ाई करनी पड़ी to get the job.
Okay. My second word is ambiguous. Its spelling is AM.
Ambiguous. Ambiguous.
Spelling है AMBIGIOUS. It's an
स्पेलिंग दोबारा बताएं. AMBIGIOUS
AMBIGIOUS
नहीं है, GUOUS है. जी. Ambiguous.
It's an adjective.
Ambiguous means
उसका मीनिंग है मुबहम.
इबहाम वाली चीज को एम्बिगुअस कहते हैं, जिसमें क्लैरिटी नहीं होती. एम्बिगुअस. AMBIGUOUS. एम्बिगुअस.
इसके सिनोनिम है वेग,
वेग. वेग. VAGUE. वेग. इट्स अ बहुत वंडरफुल वर्ड है, शानदार वर्ड है.
दूसरा सिनोनिम
वेग.
जी पजलिंग, कंफ्यूजिंग.
पजलिंग, कंफ्यूजिंग, अनक्लियर.
इसका सेंटेंस है वी वर कंफ्यूज्ड बाय द ambiguous wording of the message.
हाँ, we were confused by the ambiguous wording
Of the message.
of the message. Message की जो ambiguous, unclear wording थी, उससे बहुत ज्यादा
कंफ्यूज हो गए.
confused हुए. Thank you very much. जी Manahil, it's your turn now.
Assalamu alaikum. My first word is mesmerizing. Its spelling is
Mesmerizing. Mesmerizing.
MESMERISING.
Mesmerizing. Yes.
Grammatically, it is adjective. Its Urdu meaning is mashhoor kun.
Wow. मशहूर कुन, जो जादू तारी कर दे आपके ऊपर.
And
जादुई.
its synonyms are captivating, fascinating, stunning.
बहुत अच्छे synonyms इसके हैं.
Hypnotic.
Captivating, stunning,
Fascinating.
fascinating. बहुत अच्छे
Hypnotic.
शानदार words हैं इसके. Attractive. जी.
And its sentence is his performance was completely mesmerizing.
His performance was completely mesmerizing. उसकी परफॉर्मेंस मुकम्मल तौर पर जादुई थी. ये सारे वर्ड्स आप वोकैबुलरी के वर्ड्स यूज कर सकती हैं इन योर फॉर्मल एकेडमिक लैंग्वेज, जो कि IELTS essay की लैंग्वेज है. उस पे ये वर्ड्स शानदार इस्तेमाल हो सकते हैं. सो mesmerizing, captivating, stunning, scintillating भी इसके लिए इस्तेमाल वर्ड होता है. Scintillating. उसके बाद भी यही होता है. Magical, attractive. शाबाश. The next word.
Second word is skyscrapers.
Skyscraper. Skyscraper होती है जी, क्या होता है जी?
SKY.
Right.
Spelling is SKYSCRAPERS.
Skyscrapers.
Grammatically, it is noun, and in Urdu meaning is ऊंची इमारतें.
ऊंची इमारतें. Skyscrapers.
Tall
जैसे हामिद
buildings.
साहब ऊंची इमारतें बनाने के बहुत जो है वो स्किल्ड हैं उनमें. Right.
Tall buildings of many stories.
Right.
Its synonyms are tower, high-rise buildings.
Towers, high-rise buildings.
Its sentence is, in my country, there are many skyscrapers.
We wish there could be lots of skyscrapers more and more. क्योंकि आपकी जितना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अच्छा होता है, जितनी skyscrapers ज्यादा हैं, जितनी आपकी रोड्स और आपकी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जबरदस्त है, उतना ही इमेज बिल्डिंग होती है आपके कंट्री की. थैंक यू वेरी मच जी. वेरी गुड. Just Mrs. Mike, it's your turn now.
Assalamu alaikum. Today my word is enthusiastic.
Number one word is enthusiastic.
ENTHUSI astic.
Enthusiastic.
ASTIC.
Shabash.
पुरजोश,
जी.
जज्बा, भरपूर जज्बा.
Enthusiastic. जज्बाती. एडजेक्टिव है चुका ये.
जज्बाती, adjective.
जज्बे से भरपूर. Enthusiastic. और इस noun is enthusiasm. जज्बा. Excitement. High level of emotion. Emotional को भी कहेंगे. Enthusiastic. Emotional. Right.
Synonym words: keen,
Synonyms are number one,
keen,
keen,
adrent,
right?
eager.
Eager, adrent, eager और keen इसके synonyms हैं. शाबाश.
Sentence बनाना.
जी जी.
My husband has enthusiastics in his work.
My husband is enthusiastic in his work. अपने काम में बहुत जज्बाती हैं. शाबाश.
Second word is rapid.
The girl in the party was dancing enthusiastically. Oh my God. Okay.
Second word is rapid.
Rapid.
Rapid. Adjective:
Adjective.
तेज काम करना या rapid.
तेज के लिए इस्तेमाल हो. Rapid होता है तेज.
Teज.
जल्दी वाली.
Yes.
Right.
The dollar increase in Pakistan rapidly.
The dollar in the last few months.
The dollar rapidly
The
increased.
dollar in the last few months increased in Pakistan quite rapidly. Right.
Fast, swift, speedy, high speed.
Sorry. इसके synonyms
synonyms.
are fast, speedy,
Highly. Yes, high speed.
high speed के साथ. Right. High speed.
Quick.
Quick. Thank you very much. Very nice.
My first word is ephemeral. EPH.
Now, please, Ms. Shagufta will be invited later. She would like to just change her words a bit. Now, we have got another student. Please, she will let you know about her words now.
My first word is altruistic.
Sorry?
Altruistic. ALTRUISTIC. Altruistic.
Altruistic. Okay.
Grammatically, it's an adjective. The Urdu meaning of this word is khair khwa, and the English meaning
Urdu
khair
word?
khwa. Khair khwa.
Khair kha. Altruistic.
And the English meaning of this word is showing selfless concern for the well-being. Synonyms of this word: charitable and philanthropic.
Charitable, philanthropic. अच्छा, altruistic से ज़्यादा wonderful word है philanthropic. Philanthropic होता है humanist, इंसान दोस्त. Philanthropy होती है एक जो ये noun है, और philanthropist कोई इंसान हो सकता है. We don't name anybody. There are lots of people who are philanthropists, right?
Collocation of this word is altruistic motive, altruistic reasons,
motive,
altruistic reasons, altruistic behavior.
reasons, behavior.
And the use of this word in the sentence is that his donation to the charity was completely altruistic.
His
Donation to the charity was completely altruistic.
selfless की sense में इस्तेमाल होता है altruistic. So his donation for the company, for the charity was completely altruistic.
The second word is aptitude.
The second word is aptitude.
A-
Aptitude,
APTITUDE.
right?
The Urdu meaning of this word is silahiyat, and the English meaning of this word is natural ability for a particular skill or talent. Grammatically, it's a noun.
Natural ability for a natural talent for anything, right?
Grammatically, it's a noun.
Right?
And collocation of this word is natural aptitude, great aptitude, to show aptitude, to have aptitude.
What? To have aptitude, to show aptitude, a natural aptitude, right?
To display aptitude.
To display aptitude. Wonderful.
Synonyms of this word is talent, capability.
Talent, capability,
The use of this word in the
inclination, tendency of mind, bent of mind, or proclivity, right?
The use of this word in the sentence is he has a natural aptitude for sports.
He has a natural aptitude for sports. Sports के लिए कुदरती तौर पर उसकी टेंडेंसी है. Right, शाबाश. Thank you. Very good, wonderful words. Yes, please. It's your turn now, Matt.
My first word is detest.
Detest. D-E.
T-E-S-T.
Right.
Its
Detest.
Its meaning is nafrat karna. Grammatically, it's a verb.
Grammatically, it's a verb. Nafrat karna, detest.
And its synonyms are hate and abhor.
Hate, abhor. Right.
I did.
Loath. Loath, L-O-A-T-H-E, perhaps. Loath, hate, abhor.
Abhor.
और इनके तमाम के जो बनेंगे एडजेक्टिव्स बनेंगे loathsome, abhorrent, detestable, obnoxious और hateful. ये सारे इनके एडजेक्टिव्स बनेंगे. ना काबिल नफरत तमाम वर्ड्स का मीनिंग होगा जी.
And its sentence is I detest violence in any form.
वाओ. I detest, नफरत करता हूं वायलेंस से in any form. चाहे वो बीवी करे, हस्बैंड पे वायलेंस करे, तशद्दुद नहीं सॉरी, ये तो नहीं होता. ऑलराइट, चाहे हस्बैंड करे तो ये दिस इज I detest violence in any form.
And my second word is barbarous. B-A-R-B-A-R-O-U-S. And grammatically, it's an adjective.
जालिम.
Vahshiyana, its meaning is Vahshiyana and
barbarous.
गैर मुहज़्ज़ब.
तो क्या समझते हैं कि कौन बाबरस होता है डोमेस्टिक लाइफ में, हस्बैंड या वाइफ?
Wife.
लो ये शादी अभी हुई भी नहीं तो वाइफ. बेटा तुम्हारी नहीं होनी इस हवाले से. चलो.
And its synonyms are cruel and brutal.
Cruel, brutal, जंगली. अल्लाह अकबर. ब्लैक वो क्या होता है? वाइल्ड कैट. ओके. barbarous.
And its sentence is his behavior was barbarous.
His behavior, गलती से आप हर कहना था शायद आपने. His behavior was barbarous.
Barbarous.
जालिमाना था. Thank you very much. Yes, gentlemen.
My first word is eloquence. The spelling is E-L-O-Q-U-E-N-C-E. And
eloquence.
Eloquence. And it's a noun. And the Urdu meaning of this word is like rawani se bolna ya fasahat.
फसाहत व बलागत. एलोक्वेंस होता है कि वो एबिलिटी जिससे आप बहुत ही शानदार अंदाज से मुखातबत कर सकें, मतलब अपनी बात को कन्वे कर सकें, वो एलोक्वेंस होती है आपके अंदर. राइट.
The synonyms of this word is expressive, fluent.
नहीं, एलोक्वेंस नहीं होगा, फिर एलोक्वेंट होगा ना. एडजेक्टिव तो एलोक्वेंट है. E-L-I-Q-U-E-N-T.
Eloquent.
स्पेलिंग क्या है एलोक्वेंट के?
E-L-O-Q-U-E.
ऐसे ही E-L-O-Q-U-E-N-T. एलोक्वेंट होता है, एडजेक्टिव है. सो राइट. एक्सप्रेसिव इसके सिनोनिम्स में आएगा एक्सप्रेसिव
And fluent.
फ्लुएंट.
Articulate.
आर्टिकुलेट बहुत शानदार वर्ड है जी. वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट वर्ड्स. आर्टिकुलेट. आर्टिकुलेट में होता है जो बंदा बड़े डिसिप्लिन के साथ बड़ी शानदार अंदाज से बात को पहुंचाता हो. कहते यार कितनी सेंस ऑफ आर्टिकुलेशन इसकी चेक करें यार. इसकी आर्टिकुलेशन देखें कैसी है. आर्टिकुलेट होता है ऐसा इंसान जो अपनी बात को बहुत स्मूथली और बहुत ही शानदार अंदाज से समझा पाता है. आर्टिकुलेट.
The use of this word in a sentence is she was renowned for her eloquence and beauty.
एलोक्वेंस अब आपने इन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया, ये नाउन है. वो एलोक्वेंट एडजेक्टिव था और एलोक्वेंस नाउन है. She was known for her eloquence and beauty. और खूबसूरत भी थी और बात भी शानदार करती थी. बहुत कम लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो कम्युनिकेशन में और अपनी ब्यूटिफिकेशन में एक सिमेट्री रखते हैं. शाबाश. थैंक यू.
The second word is felicity.
Felicity. felicity, शाबाश, खुशी के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Happiness, जी.
Yeah, it's a noun, and the Urdu meaning is khushi ya rahat.
जी.
The synonyms of this word is joy,
Joy,
delight,
joy,
delight, and bliss.
joy, delight and bliss. BLISS, bliss. एक होता है bless, एक होता है bliss. Bliss खुशी के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. किसके? कौन सा वर्ड?
The spelling of this word is FELICITY.
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 Right.
The use of this word in a sentence is: we wish you many years of felicity to enjoy your art.
We wish you many years of felicity to enjoy your to enjoy your marital life, to enjoy your marital status. अब ये होता तो कम ऐसा होता है कि जहां एक बच्चे से मैंने कहा although yet का सेंटेंस बनाओ, उसका although my brother is married yet he is happy. मतलब अगरचे वो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहा था, because where there is a marriage there is no happiness. तो ये वो कहना ये चाहता था. तो anyway, very good, thank you very much, very nice. Yes, my dear friend, Mr. Hamid.
Yes, my first word is escalation.
Escalation, right.
The spelling is ESCALATION.
Escalation, right.
We can use in the two forms like
It's a noun.
noun.
Okay.
Now and also verb you can escalate.
Escalate is a verb and escalation is a noun.
Yes, and we can use
Tanaw or kashidgi.
yes, we can use in the two forms like if we are go in financial way. In financial they can use escalation, pressure. It's economy pressure.
Oh.
We can use the escalation. The word if we use escalate.
Financial pressure के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, ये कह रहे हैं.
Yes.
Escalation, economic escalation.
And when you use in the pressure of anything, like two countries, like I give you example. If two give the example in two countries, like where we can use the word escalate. Escalate का मतलब है तनाव, दबाव, ज़हनी दबाव, और वो दबाव जिसके अगेंस्ट कोई ना कोई काम हो जाए, जिसका आप अंदाजा कर रहे हो, उस वक्त ये लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल हो जाता है.
जी, इसका सेंटेंस बताएं प्लीज.
Escalation.
Escalation. There was an escalation on the borders of Pakistan and India.
There is a lot of escalation in our economy now.
There is a lot of escalation in the economy these days. After the initial contract with IMF.
Yes, definitely. Another word I can use, escalation. At the time in our real estate, I can use the word. The prices of real estate really now is escalation.
जब स्टेबिलिटी नहीं होती, और उसके अंदर फ्लक्चुएशन आता है, फ्लक्चुएशन, राइज एंड फॉल होता है, तो देयर इज एस्केलेशन इन द इकोनॉमी. अगला वर्ड बताएं प्लीज.
Second word is my obsession.
वाओ, ऑब्सेशन.
OBESSION.
हाँ,
Obsession.
OBESSION. Obsession, right.
Obsession का मतलब
is a noun. Obsession is a noun. Obsessive is an adjective, or obsess is a verb. Right.
Obsession किसी मकसद का हासिल करना, किसी अचीवमेंट की तरफ देखना. Obsession.
किसी चीज का खप्त आप पर तारी होना या भूत सवार होना ऑब्सेशन होता है. Right.
My obsession of life to my younger son become a good cricketer.
मैंने कहा शायद ये कहना चाह रहे हैं माई ऑब्सेशन इज लाइफ इज माई वाइफ. तो ये नहीं कहा इन्होंने. तो इन्होंने कहा माई ऑब्सेशन ऑफ लाइफ इज टू सी माई यंगर चाइल्ड a successful international cricketer. Inshallah. Thank you. So, many friends, we have a wonderful class today, and all of students are contributing in giving us the words list, and they are boosting our vocabulary. So, this session is our vocab booster, and we are being given the booster dose by everybody who is joining the class, or perhaps whosoever is giving us the word list. That's great. A few students are remaining. They will be introduced later. But a big round of applause for everybody in the class, please. Yes, Mr. Abdullah, it's your turn now.
Yes, my word is ruthless. RUTHLESS. It is an adjective.
Ruthless. Less नहीं बोलना, less होता है. Ruthless. RUTHLESS. Ruthless means?
Bereham.
Bereham.
Synonyms are cruel, heartless, and pitiless.
Oh my God. Cruel, pitiless, or heartless, right?
The sentence is the way she behaved toward him was utterly ruthless.
Sorry?
The way she behaved toward him was utterly ruthless.
Utterly ruthless.
Yes, yes.
The way she behaved with him was utterly ruthless. Right.
The second word is substitute. That's meaning is mutbadal.
Ruthless का ये भी कह सकते हैं. The government seems to be ruthless towards corruption. Right. Towards corruption.
The second word is substitute. And
substitute.
Yes, and the meaning in Urdu.
Substitute. SUBSTITUTE. Substitute.
And the Urdu meaning is mutbadal.
Mutbadal.
The synonyms are proxy, replacement, deputy relief. And
Right.
the sentence is he was substituting for the injured William Wales.
Substitute. Alternative? No. What's the
adjective?
Alternative. Substitute is also known as alternative. Mutbadal.
Yes.
Right. Sentence is?
He was substituting for the injured William Wales.
He was substituting in the team for the injured player. आप पता है injured player की जगह पर कुछ substitutes भी खेलते हैं. Thank you very much. Yes, everyone, it's your turn now.
My first word is abjure, and its Urdu meaning toba karna, and its grammatically is verb. And
Abjure. Would you please tell us the spelling of abjure?
ABJURE.
Okay, abjure.
And its synonym is renounce, reject, and relinquish. And its sentence is he will abjure his allegiance to the king.
Okay.
And my second word is abstain, ABSTAIN, and its Urdu meaning is parhez, and its grammatically is a verb, and its synonym is decline, not vote, and sit on the fence. And its sentence is he was abstained from drinking for 3 months and look in great shape.
He was abstained.
He was abstained from drinking for 3 months and look in great shape.
And look in great shape. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Abdul Aziz.
My first word is aversion. AVERSION. It is a noun. Its meaning is a great dislike.
Aversion, noun, great dislike.
And its synonyms are inclination, hate, and loathing.
Okay.
She had a deep aversion to getting up in the morning.
Great aversion to get up in the morning. Okay.
Meticulous.
Meticulous.
Meticulous. METISCULOUS.
Meticulous.
Its meaning is great attention.
Okay.
Its synonyms are careful and scrupulous. And scrupulous and ultra careful.
And?
Ultra careful.
Ultra careful. Okay.
It's an adjective. Its sentence is he sets the room with meticulous care.
He searched the room with meticulous care. Okay. The next word? Both of them are clear?
Yes.
Thank you. Yes, Mr. Bilal, it's your turn now. The first word is abrogate.
My first word, abrogate, mansukh karna.
Abrogate, spelling please.
ABROGATE, abrogate.
Abrogate, okay.
Abrogate meaning mansukh karna. Synonym, revoke, repeal, resign.
Revoke, repeal,
resign.
Okay.
Example of abrogate sentence. Companies are really abrogating responsibility for safety.
Wow. the companies are nearly abrogating the responsibility for safety. Right.
My second word, enormity.
Enormity. Enormous is an adjective. Enormous बहुत ज़्यादा. Or enormity is a noun.
ENORMITY, enormity.
Right.
Wusat, enormity meaning wusat.
Wusat, ji.
Wusat. Synonym, blackness, nastiness.
Sorry? Synonyms are?
Blackness, nastiness.
Blackness?
Ness.
Okay.
Nastiness. 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 Inhumanity.
Inhumanity. Enormity. Okay.
Example of enormity in a sentence. We were shocked at the enormity of the crime.
Enormity, वुसअत जो उसकी intensity की sense में है ये. Enormity, intensity of the crime. That's great. Thank you very much. Hello, gentlemen, please.
So the first one is amiable, AMIABLE. Its meaning is friendly manner, showing friendly manner, and it's an adjective. The sentence is the young man treated the young amiable man greeted me.
The young man is amiable by character. बस इतना भी हो सकता है. The amiable character greeted me with kindness. Okay.
And the second word is stupendous.
Stupendous.
Yes, stupendous. STUPENDOUS.
PENDOUS. Stupendous.
And its meaning is very impressive. So he is a man with stupendous stamina and energy.
He's a man with stupendous stamina and energy. Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you.
So Mr. Abdullah has got a few words. 2 words, please.
My first word is convocation.
Sorry?
Convocation.
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 Very good.
And its Urdu meaning is ijtima.
Okay.
And it is a noun verb. And the sentence of the word is a convocation of students might protest a new dress policy.
The convocation of the students might
protest a new dress policy.
Protest the new dress policy, okay?
And its synonym word is gathering or assembly. Gathering or assembly.
Okay.
And the second word is lenient.
Lenient.
LENIENT. And the word of this meaning is Urdu Sharif.
Okay.
And the synonyms is forbearing or kind-hearted.
Forbearing.
Kind-hearted.
Kind-hearted. All right.
It is an adjective verb. The sentence of the word is the court was very lenient.
Sorry?
The court was very lenient with her.
God was.
Court.
Spelling?
COURT.
Court. Court was very lenient with him. All right. Thank you. Yes, Mr. Gupta.
My first word is serene. Sorry. My first word is serene.
Serene. SERENE.
Serene. Its meaning is pursukoon.
Pursukoon. Shabash.
Its synonyms are calm, peaceful.
Sorry?
Calm.
Peaceful.
And quiet.
Shabash.
Its sentence is she looked as calm and serene as she always did.
She looked quite calm and serene in the meeting. Okay, next.
Next, the second word is vital.
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 Vital bhi zindagi jiyo. Right.
Vital. Its Urdu meaning is ahem.
Right. Vital means important. Right.
Its synonyms are important, significant, and it's an adjective.
Adjective. Adjective.
Adjective. Its sentence is exercise plays is vital role in our life.
Exercise or workout plays a vital role in our life. Thank you very much. Very good. So my dear friends, today students tried to give their maximum. It was the first day of the vocabulary. We tried to develop the vocabulary as much as possible. We spent huge time today while discovering some new words for you guys. And we also talked about its synonyms, its meaning, and the most importantly, its usage in sentences. अगर आपको जुमले में वर्ड को इस्तेमाल करना नहीं आता तो जितना मर्जी वंडरफुल वर्ड हो आपके लिए बेकार है. इट विल बिकम अ वर्ड इन द पैसिव वोकैबुलरी लिस्ट में चला जाएगा. अगर आप उसे एक्टिव बनाना चाहती हैं तो यू हैव टू नो द वर्ड अलोंग विद इट्स मीनिंग्स एंड सिनोनिम्स. इसके सेंटेंस में इस्तेमाल को भी सीखना होगा कि how to use it in spoken English or in written English. So it was the first day. I hope that tomorrow you will do your level best to come up to my expectations. Stay blessed from the from this exercise of vocab items in which we have started improving our vocabulary. Thank you.